Welcome to our guide on small kitchen cabinet ideas. Discover smart and stylish solutions for making the most of compact kitchen spaces. Space-saving cabinets are essential in small kitchens, offering practical storage solutions without overwhelming the space. Multifunctional cabinets, such as those with built-in drawers or fold-out surfaces, maximize utility in a small kitchen. Open shelving provides accessible storage and helps make a small kitchen feel more open and airy. Tall cabinets make use of vertical space, providing ample storage while keeping the footprint of the kitchen small. Corner cabinets with innovative designs, such as lazy Susans or pull-out shelves, make the most of hard-to-reach spaces. Utilize under-cabinet space with built-in racks or hanging storage to keep essentials organized and accessible. Narrow cabinets fit into tight spaces and provide additional storage without taking up too much room. Fold-out cabinets or wall-mounted drop-leaf tables offer extra workspace or dining space when needed. Glass front cabinets create an illusion of more space and allow you to showcase attractive dishware or glassware. Cabinets that integrate appliances, like built-in refrigerators or microwave drawers, maintain a streamlined look and save space. Custom drawer inserts help keep kitchen utensils and tools organized, making the most of limited drawer space. Bright and reflective finishes, like glossy white or light-colored wood, can make a small kitchen feel larger and more open. Utilize vertical space with tall cabinets and wall-mounted racks to keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Thank you for exploring these small kitchen cabinet ideas. For more design inspiration and tips, please like, comment, and subscribe.